Hey everyone, so I'm here to do the BYS Peach eyeshadow palette. It's not exactly the same as, the Too Faced, but I like it. Excuse my nail. One broke during the day that we went to the water park, and I tried to fix it, but it was still getting bigger. And then, another one ripped off. They were getting kind of long, so I just cut them all down, but they look terrible. They look like little stubs now. Anyway, I decided to use these two colors right here, and then of course that for the highlight. So I just use my NYX concealer in orange for the base color. I'm gonna go into cherry, and it's this color right here, and put that on the lid. That's a pretty color. It's like a super ripe peach. On the outside anyway. That's pretty. Then I'm gonna go into Lavish, which is this color right here, this matte color right there. I changed my mind about Dainty, the matte color. I think I'm going to go ahead and put this next color in. It's called Pamper, and that's this one right here. I'm going to take Slay and put it in my inner corners. Just want to brighten that up a little bit. So anyway, let me clean up, finish my makeup. I'm just using regular black liner mascara, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. So on my lips, I have the liquid lipstick, and I'm Peachless, and it does dry down matte, and I have put the peach oil under it too. So I'm Peachless on the lips. That's the darkest peach scented liquid lipstick they have. Everything you can buy from BYS.com or BYS Cosmetics in Australia. And some of their stuff you can buy at Family Dollar. I think they're looking into selling stuff in America. There's a store, I don't know where it is in America, that supposedly sells like everything they have almost except the nail polishes. So for my bronzer, I just went with the bronzer from this palette. And in the outer V, I used this like blackened brown color right here. And like last week, I used the peach blush. And this time I just used the peach and the beige color. I put the champagne on my nose and the peach on my cheeks. And so yeah, that's what I did. And my hair, I put this in. They're $1 at Dollar Tree. It's the Clairol Color Craven Silver. My hair has purple. I'm using, I think this stuff is from Santo Domingo, from the Dominican Republic. It has a Spanish name. It's called Crece Pelo, which is hair growth. And I just, I wasn't looking for my hair to grow, but I was looking to keep my hair healthy. And I put a purple semi-permanent hair dye in the conditioner. And I only leave it in for like 5 minutes, but that purple sticks to my hair. And I think it's called Clairol Paints at Sally's. I just didn't want to make my hair purple again. But I used it. I used it in some other conditioners, and it didn't do this. It was just to try and keep my hair, you know, from getting brassy. It was working fine until I put it in I finished my other conditioner, put it in my Crece Pelo conditioner, and I keep getting purple in my hair. So that's why I have like this purple streak in my hair. So anyway, you know, pretty soon I'm going to try and go back to the blonde. I have all the ingredients, and I'm going to try it pretty soon.